also noticed that you are doing another market to provide the bracing material for the stainless steel part. Okay, so can you explain to me that today, you see, this one is the stainless steel part, but you are able to provide the powder, welding flux, and even the aluminum sheet. Also, I know that for the welding flux and welding powder, they have different kind of code. Some case that if this is stainless steel capsule, and if this is 201 or 304, that they will have different kind of powder code to match the best quality. Let's walk in the factory and see how the welding material is made. First, melt the raw material, silicon metal and metal aluminum together in the furnace. After cooling, directly brown into powder. Then use the sifter to filter out the impurities. Packing in each bag 500 grams. Finally, packaging. The next is welding flux. First mix and stir the raw material. Must use pure water so that the flux will have less impurities. Stir with a blender. Dry with a dryer. Then bake in the oven at 200 degrees for 23 hours. Defect after drying. Then crush it with a grinder. For heat pipe, for some of the product, we need to have the flux more finer. Finally, packaging.